Hey little kids, today I will learn you how to draw a fruits basket. Here I am drawing a fruits basket and then I will drawing here some fruits. Let's see how I draw the basket. Now I am drawing a banana, a mango, orange, an apple, grapes, and this is pear, now I am drawing some cherry fruits, and this is the handle of the basket. I draw some other fruits like pear, apple, banana, cherry. I completed the fruits basket. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using sketch pen color to color it. I am using deep brown color for the basket. Here I am using red color for cherry and apple. Now I am using yellow color for bananas. Deep green color for pear. and light green color for mango, orange color for orange, and I am using purple color for grapes. Here I am drawing a flower. Now I am drawing a beautiful butterfly. Wow, the fruits basket is looking so beautiful. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, tata bye bye little kids.